So just a real quick video to let you know I am selling my camper van. You might have watched the videos on my channel, building my little mini Transit Connect. Had really great fun building it and travelling around in it, but I think it's the right time to sell. So selling it for £10,000. There is a full van tour on my channel, but I thought I'd do a quick video just to show you the bits might have changed since that van tour, and maybe you haven't seen the full van tour video. I'll link that down below and put it on the card. It's a 2012 Transit Connect 1.8 diesel. It's got about 95,000 miles on. It's just been MOT'd, so MOT'd till November next year. You've got the sofa bed here, I'll show you that, which pulls out in a second. Kitchen unit here, full vinyl floor. On top, 100-watt solar panel. The only thing that's slightly different from the van tour video is this 20-litre water tank, which is just a hand-operated pump. So the water is stowed away in there. Battery is now under here, all kept safe and sound in there with the inverter. You've got a pop-up table here for cooking outside. Other new thing since the van tour video is this diesel heater. So I've now got a diesel heater which is just hidden away under here. Pot comes out of here. You've got your control unit here for the heater, all light switches, all controlled here. Inverter, powering a 240-volt socket, and then some USB charging ports. Underneath the bed, storage. You've got a safe. There's a little gas stove, more storage, and storage on the end there. That just pops shut as well. Storage above the cab here. More storage up top there, and even more storage in there. The nets as well. Whilst we're on the topic of storage, you've got 3 nets all around the edge, little herbs and spices or whatever you want to put in there. That's the front cab, fairly standard. Armrest, which is nice for long journeys. Recarpeted that, new carpet there. Curtains come across either side. You've got a carbon monoxide and smoke alarm there. Also got one under here. A little manual roof vent too. So yeah, that's the full single. When it's pulled out, extends out on the sofa bed, and you just flip that other mattress down. Quick few highlights. Rear doors are cladded. Ceiling is cladded. Walls are carpeted. Carpet around ply boards. All insulated behind with recycled plastic bottles insulation, as well as on the doors, ceiling and walls. Ply floor with a vinyl top, 3 spotlights, 1 larger light above the worktop, fire extinguisher, and the doors also flip right out, so standard doors there. The Transit Connect ones swing all the way out, which is nice. Also, just ask me any questions in the comments below, if you've got any queries about anything, and if you're interested in a sale or you know someone who might be.